Speak English Today, Part 20. English conversation while shopping, shopping English. Imagine you're in a shop in another country. You find something you like, but you don't know how to ask the price. The shop assistant asks, "Can I help you?" What would you say? How do you ask for another size? How do you ask for a discount? And how do you pay? Don't worry. In today's episode, we're going to practice a real-life English conversation while shopping. You'll learn simple English that you can actually use in a store. So listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's begin. Introduction. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Today. This is part 20 of our English learning podcast. Today's topic is English conversation while shopping. This conversation will help you learn how to ask about prices, sizes, colors, availability, payment, and more. First, listen to the complete conversation. Then we'll practice the most useful sentences together. Let's start. Real-life shopping conversation. Shop assistant. Hello, can I help you? Customer. Hi, yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt. Shop assistant. Sure. What kind of t-shirt are you looking for? Customer. I'm looking for something simple and comfortable. Shop assistant. What size do you need? Customer. I need a medium. Shop assistant. What color would you like? Customer. Do you have it in black? Shop assistant. Yes, we do. Let me show you. Customer. Thanks. Shop assistant. Here you go. Customer. Can I try it on? Shop assistant. Of course. The fitting room is over there. Customer. Thank you. Trying something on. Customer. Excuse me. Shop assistant. Yes? Customer. Do you have a larger size? Shop assistant. Yes, we have a large. Customer. Could I try it on? Shop assistant. Sure, I'll get it for you. Customer. Thank you. Shop assistant. Here you are. Customer. Thanks. Asking about the price. Customer. How much is this t-shirt? Shop assistant. It's $25. Customer. Is there any discount? Shop assistant. I'm sorry, there's no discount on this item. Customer. Okay, that's fine. Shop assistant. Would you like to buy it? Customer. Yes, I like it. I'll take it. Shop assistant. Great choice. I'm paying for the item. Shop assistant. Would you like anything else? Customer. No, that's all. Thank you. Shop assistant. Your total is $25. Customer. Can I pay by card? Shop assistant. Yes, of course. Customer. Here you go. Shop assistant. Thank you. Here's your receipt. Customer. Thanks. Shop assistant. You're welcome. Have a great day. Customer. You too. Goodbye. Shop assistant. Goodbye. Useful shopping sentences. Now let's practice some important sentences from today's conversation. 1. Can I help you? আমি কি আপনাকে সাহায্য করতে পারি? 2. I'm looking for a t-shirt. আমি একটি t-shirt খুঁজছি. 3. What size do you need? আপনার কোন size দরকার? 4. Do you have it in black? এটা কি কালো রঙে আছে? 5. Can I try it on? আমি কি এটা পরে দেখতে পারি? 6. Do you have a larger size? আপনাদের কি বড় size আছে? 7. How much is this? এটার দাম 8. Is there any discount? Kono ছাড় আছে কি? 9. I'll take it. আমি এটা নেব. 10. Would you like anything else? আপনি কি আর কিছু নেবে? 11. That's all, thank you. 8 টুকুই, ধন্যবাদ. 12. Can I pay by card? আমি কি কার্ড দিয়ে পেমেন্ট করতে পারি? 13. Here's your receipt. এই নিন আপনার receipt. 14. Have a great day. আপনার দিনটি ভালো কাটুক. Listen and repeat. Now it's your turn. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I'm looking for a t-shirt. Your turn. I'm looking for a t-shirt. Do you have it in black? Your turn. Do you have it in black? Can I try it on? Your turn. Can I try it on? How much is this? Your turn. How much is this? Is there any discount? Your turn. Is there any discount? I'll take it. Your turn. I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Your turn. Can I pay by card? Excellent. Keep practicing these sentences until they feel natural. A speaking challenge. Now imagine you're shopping for a t-shirt. The shop assistant asks, "Can I help you?" You say, "Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt." Then they ask, "What size do you need?" You say, "I need a medium." Now you want to know if they have another color. Ask, "Do you have it in black?" You want to try it on. Ask, "Can I try it on?" You like it and want to buy it. Say, "I'll take it." Finally, you want to pay by card. Ask, "Can I pay by card?" Perfect. Now you know how to handle a simple shopping conversation in English. Final message. Remember, you don't need complicated English to go shopping. You just need a few useful sentences that you can use confidently. Practice these sentences regularly. Imagine different shopping situations. Change the words and create your own conversations. For example, I'm looking for a shirt. I'm looking for a pair of shoes. I'm looking for a jacket. The structure stays the same, only the word changes. That's how you can build your English naturally. Outro. Thank you so much for listening to Speak English Today, Part 20. Today you learned how to ask for an item. I ask for a different size. I ask about colors. I ask about the price. I ask for a discount. I pay for your purchase. Listen to this episode again. Repeat the conversation. And try to create your own shopping conversation. Listen, repeat, speak, improve. See you in Part 21. Until then, keep practicing English every day.